Today is Ash Wednesday, and many of my Igbo brethren ejego n'ụka ji egbuo ntu n'iru na-agazi nsọ nsọ ebube na-agụ egwu na-asị nọ ntụ ka ịbụ nọ ntụ ka ị ga na-achị. Nna m eburu ntụ, nne m eburu ntụ. You are a consciousness, an energy on the journey of becoming. But before I proceed, I want to state this categorically. Catholicism is the biggest calamity, the biggest taboo that happened to the Igbo land and to the African child. Now, Igbo Adron today is Catholicism. Because Catholicism is the gospel that was intentionally brought to Africa to preach the Roman imperialism and to detach you from your roots. Now, one nasi today na Igbo Catholicism. Now, one nabo ene lekoro nene today is Catholicism. All the atrocities that was perpetuated na Igbo, 80% are Catholic agenda, and they recruited our brothers against us in the name of priests to spread the Roman agenda. Buntu na agali today. Do you know the symbolism of Untu? Maria, when you see your fellow black child, when you see your fellow Igbo child, balunzunanya boso bala na aganezi. Believe you me, you will become uncomfortable and you will see that person as an evil child. Do you know why? Catholicism labeled it what? Evil. You are free today. Na gayali, na community, nuisance in the society. Makane balu uni negedegiru ibulie ine jaupo. Your places of work na gayali. Manifuzi anwan negebo balunzu na anya. It's not the evil. Who taught you that? Catholic Church. I am here to remind you that Nzu is more symbolic than ash. Manemaro. You have been indoctrinated as a child, from childbirth, from childhood, to hate yourself, to abhor your own, and to uplift the Roman agenda illegally. Truth is bitter. Ezokubu Maya on Amawobi. If you are comfortable enough today, Ash Wednesday, to engage in that ritual that you know nothing about, but you go around demonizing your ancestral worship, put me anywhere, even if you be a big moron, Manimaro. Nzu is a symbol of purity. Nzu is that medium, that energy through which we interface with Okeke. It is more symbolic than that your Ash Wednesday, Manimaro. But the Catholic Church taught you to hate yourself and to hate your origin. Osita ademma odebalugo. Nnamdi Zori lo manichebe. Dibi fetugo anandu. Galon.